Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to fix Captcha error in Chrome. Now don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we can do is go ahead and make sure that you are using the latest version of Google Chrome. To do this or to update our Google Chrome, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go into our three dots right here at the top. And then we're going to go into help right here. Go ahead and click on about Google Chrome. And then usually this will check for any updates right here. If there is a new update, then what you need to do is to go ahead and relaunch your Chrome. Go ahead and relaunch. Now once that it has launched back, then it should say that you are up to the latest update. Now go ahead and check out the Captcha once again, see if this would work for you. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to make sure that all of our extensions are disabled. So this might be interfering with your Captcha error. Then let's go ahead and do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click once again on the top right on those three dots. And then we're going to click on settings right here. And then we're going to go into extensions right here. And then whichever ones that you're using, if you want to go ahead and disable them. And then try the Captcha error once again. Now the third thing that you can go ahead and do is to disable your VPN. So go ahead and disable this. Or just go ahead and remove this from your current internet. And one last thing that we can go ahead and do is to use a proxy instead. So let's go ahead and go to our network right here by clicking on this. This will be either as a symbol like this or the Wi-Fi symbol. So go ahead and click on it and then click on network and internet settings right here. Now what we're going to do is go into proxy right here. And then what we're going to do is to toggle this on right here. Now go ahead and try that once again, and hopefully this would have solved your Captcha error. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.